What's going on, world? It's your boy Trey, and today we're taking you to Walmart. I'm going to show you how to nutrition. You know, it's very simple. You know, I'm going to show you how to shop for either weight loss, maintenance, or muscle gain. Let's get it popping.
Then drop them off to Huncho. I came from the bando.
First thing first, when you come to Walmart, you gotta wipe the cars. When you come to the store, you want to get your meats out the way first. Chicken, you know, is the most cost-effective chicken. But if you want to diet down, you go with the turkey down there because it's lean. If you want to add weight, you go with the beef. But most things, you rock with the chicken, and it's a good value, so you can't go wrong with that. So let's ride with the chicken. I got the tilapia. This is for those people who don't like turkey or don't want chicken. If you get sick of that and you want to switch it up, you know what I'm saying, you can get the tilapia or sway. It's really good if you're trying to diet down. If you want to maintain or you want to bulk up a little bit, you do the salt. Low in carbs, basically no carb. Protein, you're getting about 20. So if you want taste, you get the salmon. But if you want to diet down, tilapia. Alright, this part here, this is the part that people get. Breakfast. A lot of people skip out on breakfast. Breakfast is the one meal you don't want to skip out because if you eat more in the daytime, you won't overcompensate at nighttime. So always make sure you just get your breakfast in. So I'll say all that to say this. Eat your eggs. You can either do, if you want the conveniency, you can do the egg whites. I feel like I get a lot of eggs. So I always go with the eggs. They're the same thing. But the egg whites, you want the conveniency. These eggs are $1 cheaper. Usually they're like $10.15. Today, they're $9.65. I'm not even open these up. I'm gonna go ahead and rock with these. So, me personally, I like to go with the brown rice. And the reason I like to get this brown rice is because it's already pre-measured out for you. It makes your life easier. Or you can get the Uncle Ben's, but take my word for it. These two taste exactly the same. You're just paying for that name. But if you're on the go and you want that convenience, you don't have time to boil your food, get your prepackaged food. You know, the only reason I try to stay away from these is because it has all those preservatives in it because it's already made. So if you can, rock out with the brown rice, boil it, and keep on cooking. Alright, another thing you want to have. Good. It's 2019, new year, new you, right? Cliche as that sounds. This is an easy way to incorporate your veggies, get your greens in your plate. You want to have color on each meal right here. So, get you that bird's eye. Recommending this brand has no preservatives and no artificial ingredients. So, try and diet down. You can have as much of this as you want. Supplement it with some turkey or some beef or some chicken with the cauliflower rice. You live. Now, this right here, you can have as many as you want of these and not feel guilty. That is some blueberries. They're organic because we bougie like that. No, I'm kidding. They're not organic. They're some regular ass blueberries. But anyways, you get some of these. You get you some raspberries. You get you some grape. You can make you a nice little snack with this. You know, so highly recommend Nature's Candy. Now this, out of everything in this video that I'm showing you, this is by far, you can hear the importance of my voice. The most important thing in this video. And that's good old reliable Tampico. You can feed a family of 10 off this one jug right here. So make sure you get some Tampico in your life. Alright, so you gotta get your water in here, you know what I'm saying? For those people who just can't drink water, I'll show y'all a little secret. Check this one. These right here, these Clear Americas. These things right here are Fuego. That's fire, that's Spanish. Alright, wait, hold up. Don't even worry about all this. These right here are really good if you're trying to diet down because they are 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sugar on the ingredient label. 0 carbs, 0 fat, 0 protein. So this right here is a guilt-free snack right here. So put down that Pepsi. That's right, get you a Clear American. And it tastes good, take my word for it. But somebody was like, man, I only want these hot dogs. Put them things right back. They stuff right next to the beers. Now this right here is probably my favorite snack of all time. Good old rice too. You can get any flavor of these. Me personally, I like to get the caramel. Really good nutrition facts in here. 11 carbs. I'll get this, get some peanut butter on there. Get a banana, chop it up. Straight. People snack all the time. This right here is a good snack for my people who work at like desk jobs or who are always on the go. These right here are Skinny Pop. Guilt-free snack right here. And you can eat the whole bag. Get you some Skinny Pop. Try to stay away from the Doritos, all that salty food. Get your bag of these. This right here, this barbecue sauce is the best thing ever. The reason I say that is because it tastes really good. And if you look at the ingredients on here, it's not a bunch of crazy sweeteners, no coloring on here. The best thing, if you were to compare this to your normal barbecue sauce, Sweet Baby Ray, both honey barbecue, let's look at their back on here. 17 carbs, 2 carbs. 15 grams of sugar, 0 sugars. Proteins are the same, fats are the same. But that just goes to show you the carbs are very high on this from a simple barbecue sauce. So if you're gonna get that condiment, G-Hue. Now this is another thing when I say breakfast is very important. Typically, I like to get oatmeal for my breakfast, especially when I'm trying to bulk up a little bit. I'll do the oatmeal because it's quick. And get this one, you know, they're the same thing. But this point here, you're just paying for the Mercedes or you're paying for the Toyota. You know what I'm saying? They taste the same. If you happen to go with the traditional oatmeal, that's when you want to put in your natural flavoring. So you want to go with berries, you want to go with cinnamon. Try to stay away from sugar, you don't need it, because the berries will give it a natural flavor, the cinnamon will give it a natural flavor. So you want to go with the oatmeal, flavor with berries, stay away from the sugar. This right here is a little secret from my cereal lovers right here. Kashigo Lean, the best cereal ever. This is what you want to go to right here. You got a bunch of flavors, trying to be healthy, trying to be on a diet, go with the cereal here. And it also has a lot of protein in there. Carbs are high, protein's high. Now, almond milk. You know what I'm saying? The traditional milk is muy malo. We don't want this right here. Keep it simple. We're trying to lose weight, trying to be a better version of ourselves. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm gonna go with the original because you don't need the vanilla treatment, because whatever cereal you decide to get, whether you get Lucky Charms or you get the Kashigo Lean like I showed you, it's gonna naturally flavor the milk. So get you some soy milk, almond milk I should say. That's gonna adjourn our grocery shopping haul. Hopefully that helped you guys out. God damn, it's cold out. Like the video, comment, share, make this page grow. Subscribe, that's the most important thing. You know what I'm saying? Baby's from behind the camera filming. Baby, shout yourself out.
Hey. No, I look crazy.
I do too, but anyway, like I said, we came to Walmart, bringing more videos with you. Let's get it.